Proper gauge isolation is critical to ensuring a proper performance of any pressure instrument. It is also critical in ensuring the safety of operators tasked with removing, repairing, or calibrating instrumentation. For routine maintenance in non-hazardous service, the simplest option is a single block and bleed valve. Close the block to isolate. Open the bleed to safely vent trapped pressure before removing the gauge. Need more bleed control or to calibrate in the field? A 2-valve block and bleed offers 1/4 inch port as well as a valve that controls the bleed and a valve that controls the block. Close the process isolation. Open the bleed test port and proceed with calibration. For critical or hazardous service, a double block and bleed is the best choice. There are 2 shutoffs with a bleed in between. Closing both shutoffs adds extra safety by bringing redundancy to the system. Whether it's for non-hazardous service or an ultra-critical application, pick the right valve and protect your people. If you need any help selecting the right valve for your instrumentation, contact Riotemp Sales and we'd be happy to help.